The Enchanted Soldier. Chapter 1. Don Vincent. Many years ago in Salamanca, there was a poor student called Don Vincent. He played the guitar and had a lovely voice. In those days, students played music, sang, and even begged for money to pay for their studies. Poor students often went to the convent at lunchtime and drank soup. Because of this, people called them sopistas. Don Vincent was a very handsome, popular young man. In the summer, he traveled from town to town and played his beautiful music. The country people danced to his love songs and gave him money. One day, Don Vincent found an exotic gold and silver ring on the ground. "A gold ring! It must be very valuable," he exclaimed happily. "I'm very lucky." He put the ring on his finger and returned home. It was the summer, and Don Vincent had time to travel and make some money. He traveled far, and finally, he arrived in Granada. The Moorish towers, the enormous mountains, and the elegant ladies there impressed him. One afternoon, a priest and a young maiden arrived at the Abellano fountain. The priest's face was red and hot, and the girl helped him walk. He sat down and she brought him some water to drink. The pretty young maiden captivated Don Vincent's heart. He tried to attract her attention, but she was very timid. "Hello there," he called, but the maiden turned red and looked away. Don Vincent began to play his music for her, but she did not look at him. He was very frustrated.